difference between an enema and a colonic. Before colonic machines were developed in the 1930s, we only had enemas. Enemas have been mentioned as early as 5,000 years ago, which was just a basic container holding water. As the enemas used only smaller amounts of water and you have to get up to relieve yourself, it was only a matter of time before a more industrial version was developed. If you do not have a lot of experience with enemas, you might find you won't get the water all around your colon and thereby not getting a good result when it comes to cleaning the colon. It is also more difficult to give yourself a belly massage and not as relaxing because you have to get up every few minutes to sit on the toilet. Now, for this reason, most people find colonics are much more relaxing, convenient, and thorough.